Want to make your first Shopify sale fast? Then stick around because I'm going to be sharing 5 beginner-friendly tips that will help you and your store to start selling today. Hey friend, I'm Terry, a Shopify website designer specializing in the beauty industry. I help entrepreneurs launch branded stores that sell. Tip number 1 is collections front and center. Organize your products into clear collections on your homepage. This helps customers find what they want quickly and improve conversions. Highlight popular or seasonal collections at the top so visitors can see them almost immediately. Now, if you're looking to start a hair business, I have pre-built Shopify hair stores ready to launch, or I can even create a custom Shopify store tailored exactly to your vision. These stores come optimized to help you make your first sale fast. So if you're interested in a pre-built Shopify store, click the link in the description for more information. We will even sync the dropshipping vendor for you. Tip number 2 is to optimize product listings. Use clear titles like Brazilian straight hair bundles 16 inches. Highlight benefits in your description, not just features. Explain how it will solve a problem or improve your customer's life. Tip number 3 is to set up Shopify Inbox. Shopify Inbox allows instant messaging with customers, answer questions quickly, provide guidance, and build trust. This can help turn window shoppers into buyers. I even have this on my own website, and it's definitely needed on your Shopify website. You can download it in the Shopify App Store. Next tip is to showcase your best sellers. So highlight your top selling products on your homepage and collection page. People are drawn to items that others are buying. It builds trust and encourages purchases. Update your best sellers regularly to reflect trends and inventory. Tip number 5 is use urgency and incentives, like pretty much encourage customers to buy with limited time discounts, bundles or deals, or free shipping. As you can see at the top, it says last call, flash deals, this much % off, only 10 left in stock. Stuff like that can push someone to take action. Combine urgency with social proof for even better results. Now, friend, let's do a quick recap. Remember these 5 beginner-friendly tips. Number 1, collections front and center to make shopping easy. Number 2, optimize your product listings with clear titles, benefits, and images. 3, use Shopify Inbox for instant customer communication. 4, showcase bestsellers to build trust and guide purchases. And 5, apply urgency and encourage that first sale. And if this video was helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Shopify tips.